How to fix Apple authorization failed on the Grindr app. Now, there's no need for you to worry actually because this happens all the time. This is just a temporary glitch or a temporary error. As long as you have an Apple ID or an Apple account and you also have a stable internet connection, then everything can be fixed. So of course, the very first thing that you want to do if you already downloaded the Grindr application, make sure that you're running the latest version of the app. So that specific problem usually happens when you're trying to log in into the application. Now you just have to make sure and double check if while logging in and while allowing or authorizing all documents needed on this application right here requires an approval from your Apple ID into this application is not going to be cut off whenever you're on that process or whenever you're in the login period. Now, next thing to do, if the actual problem persists, and all you have to do is just to uninstall the application and try to reinstall it again, and make sure this time your internet is stable. Before doing it, just simply restart your phone and try to relog in and authorize the Apple again. And that is how you fix Apple authorization failed on Grindr.